Okay, I'm going to explain to you your Colonial Advertisement. So when you get into your Chromebook, this should be in your journal. This is a map where you can see all of the 13 colonies. What you're going to do is you're going to choose a colony. So let's say I choose Pennsylvania. I am going to then go and look at the resources for Pennsylvania, which would be right here. And so I can see that it has staves, corn, hemp, beaver fur, let's see, has some fishing, some shipping. So I can take that information there. That's helpful for jobs. And then I can go down here to this comparison chart. My colony of Pennsylvania is in the middle colony, so I can find out what types of settlers live there, what the geography or climate is, some of the major towns, the economic activities: farming, grain, livestock, cash crops, mining, trading, Quakers, Catholics, Jews, Protestants, the role of women, the role of African Americans, the educational opportunities, and what the local government was like. And then I can take that to then make an advertisement. So I'm going to show you an example of an advertisement that I have made. So in your advertisement, you're going to need the name, Pennsylvania, a slogan, a catchy slogan. Think like McDonald's, ba 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 ba, I'm loving it. So a catchy slogan to help people connect and to remember. So mine is "We're solid gold." You're going to need 3 different reasons why somebody would want to come to your colony. So mine are here: come linger where the come where the air lingers with the scent of fresh bread made from the finest wheat. I have here, this is one of their requirements, that they all 3 be different reasons, and that one of your reasons has to do with a job. You need to have at least 1 picture that goes along with your reasons. So I have wheat, and then I also have this for the hewing iron out of the rich soil. You're also going to need an outline of your colony, the way it looks on the map, and make it nice, neat. Try to make these not be just facts stated, but make them be more like advertisements, enticing people to come. Make it neat, colorful. If you don't come back to class before you start working on this, you can do this on any plain piece of paper or poster board that you like. Can't wait to see it.